Yes, sir. Let me make sure we good. Let me make sure we good. All right, all right, all right. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Can y'all hear me? What will you do if someone curb damaged the Volt? That's what fleet insurance is for. That's what insurance is for. Let's go. Robert, what's good, Rob? I saw I saw the cars Benji. Which one you want? Hey, y'all better leave my shit alone. Hey, it's equal rights, equal fights. Stop playing. Hey, I'm weak. Let's go. Yeah, so this is from a dude that graduated. This is just client results, bro. You just client results, Eduardo. Almost, hey, the dude almost hit my drone. I would have been pissed, bro. But let's go, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Let's get it, man. I'm Lewis. I'm the owner of King Credit Services. When currently in the Pacific Ocean. Let's go. All right, man. I'm the owner of King Credit Services, the #1 rated credit management company in San Diego, top rated in California. We're also nationwide. So if you need a free consultation, just DM me the word King. DM me direct message. So just message me the word King, and you'll receive an automated message to show you how to schedule that free consultation. I go live twice a day, 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Pacific time. Come on here just to answer people's questions, man. Drop some gems for y'all. Each day there's a different little category. Today is business credit, but we're gonna do some Q&A. We'll go over the topics we went over yesterday, and then we'll jump into the business credit, man. Let's go. Instagram, I see y'all. Let's go. YouTube, I see you. Facebook, I see you. Yes, sir. All right, man. Let's jump into it. Zach Attack, what credit card do you recommend to reestablish your credit with no hard or soft inquiry? Zach, that's like an actual credit card. They need to pull your credit, bro. Like an actual credit card. Come on, man. But I do have some accounts that you can get um, that you can get them with no hard inquiries. So Zach, just hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts, and they're all on there for you. All right. Just paid off 8K credit card with my credit jump. Yeah. Yeah. Anytime your utilization goes down, your score goes up. All right. Utilization goes down, score goes up. All right. Let's get it. On the way to Chipotle, I'm weak. Someone told me Credit Karma isn't real. Yeah. Someone told you that because they don't know what they're talking about. All right. Credit Karma, the accounts and activity, that's all accurate. But the score, it's a scoring, the scoring model, right? It says Vantage scoring model. Okay, that's the only difference. It's just a different scoring model. So it's not wrong or inaccurate. It's just a different scoring model. So when you go to the dealership, they might pull a FICO 8 or auto FICO. You go to a mortgage lender, they might pull a FICO 2 or a FICO 4 or FICO 5. You know what I mean? You go to get a credit card, they might pull a FICO 8. So it's all about the scoring model that the lender is using. All right, let's go. Y'all take over live for me. I'm weak. Should I get a personal loan to pay off my credit cards? Yeah, you could. You could. That's a method people use. Who is mod of the day? I'm weak. Should I dispute or pay off my closed credit card of 800? Dispute first. I would dispute first, and then if it's not successful, you can go a different route. Deja, yeah, you asked me that earlier, Deja. I remember. So yeah, if you want to do it yourself, hit the link in the bio, get the King Credit Bundle. If you want us to do it, shoot me a DM. All right, DM me the word King. If I'm paying with debts of my credit card, will increase my credit score. Wait, what? If you're paying off the debts, yeah. If you're paying your credit cards down, right, bringing utilization down, your score is going to go up. Okay, that's how it works. Did you hear about the dealership cyber attack today? 15,000 dealerships attacked. Nuh-uh. Credit Karma is real. It says 2 charge were recently removed. King Credit works. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate you, Anna. Let's go. So how do we get the real score then? There is no real score, bro. There is no real score. You hear what I just said? It's all about the scoring model. Okay, so if you want your FICO 8 score, though, that's the most widely used scoring model. Hit the link in my bio. Click it says get your FICO score for $1. You can do that. How long will it take to see an increase of my credit score if I have a 610? It depends on what's on your report, right? Depends on what we're disputing. But if you just want to see your score increase, just pay your balances down. Your score will go up. That's easy. Okay. Just Google whatever you're applying for and see what model they use. That's a good method. That's a good method right there. or you can call them. For me, I call people. I'll call them and say, hey, what scoring model do y'all use? Okay, who y'all pull from? Right, I'll call and ask them. Let's go. Yes, sir. Hold on. Wait. What's going on? 20. Hold on. 20 kind of weak. 20 kind of weak. Hold up. I'm gonna restart this live. I'm gonna restart the live. I'll be right back. I'm gonna restart the live. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. What's good, man? What's good? Y'all can drop y'all questions in the chat. Drop y'all questions in the chat. TikTok. I just restarted y'all live. TikTok. I'm restarting y'all live, man. Let me see what's going on. Hold on. Confirm. All right, let's go. All right, TikTok, we back. TikTok, we back. All right, Instagram, let's go. Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, man. Y'all can drop y'all questions in the chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. He said, how do you remove inquiries? Inquiries are pretty easy, man. All you got to do, but you never want to, you don't want to dispute inquiries not attached to open accounts. All right, you don't want to dispute inquiries attached to open accounts. That means if you applied for it and you got the account, you don't want to dispute that. Okay, but all we're doing is getting our report. We're highlighting the inquiries and we're calling to dispute those inquiries. All right. If you need a step-by-step guide, just hit the link in my bio, click how-to guides, and it's all in there. It's all free. Okay, it's all free. All right, TikTok, welcome back. TikTok, welcome back. Welcome back. TikTok, welcome back. Welcome back. Don't do me like that. Is that on Credit Karma? Yeah, this is just client results. Everything I show is receipts, bro. Everything I show is receipts. Don't do me like that. We dispute accuracy, not ownership. That's facts. That's facts. I DM'd you earlier. Should I pay a settlement offer on a car charge off? What do you mean you DM'd me earlier? If you DM me, I would have seen the DM, bro. Should I pay a settlement offer on a car charge off? So if you pay it or not, you're still gonna have to dispute it. So that's literally up to you. Paid close accounts are easier to get removed than like a regular charge off. So that's gonna be up to you, bro. It's gonna be up to you. What are you seeing those Where are you seeing those numbers at? The kid era. What numbers? What are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? This guy, okay, he was our client. He was one of our clients. He just screenshot it, right? He screenshotted the score increase. You see that? And that's what clients do sometimes, right? We don't use Credit Karma for our credit monitoring, but sometimes our clients do. All right. Like for the extra, because like people have Credit Karma for years. It's a free app. People just like it. So I'm not going to tell them to stop using it, but we use my Score IQ, okay, for our official credit monitoring. King don't care about your scores. Facts. Man has a car payment and a secured credit card. What are you talking about? Whose steward is me? Man has a car payment and a secured credit card. What do you mean? Bro, don't answer my DM. That's cap. Phantom towing, that's cap. Don't do me like that, bro. Don't do me like that. Is it true in order to see an increase of my credit score of 16, it would take from 1 year and a half? No. So I don't know who told you that. No, that's not true. If you need a free consultation, bro, so we can look at your credit report, let you know what plan you qualify for, and get you started, just shoot me a DM. All right. Just message me the word king. I disputed something on my credit using that 605 or whatever law, and it came back and said it probably came back verified. Yeah. Yeah. So 609 letter, that's just a validation letter. So the thing is, people are trying to use validation letters to dispute with the credit bureaus. And the credit bureaus don't validate, they verify. So that whole situation is all messed up. All right. So Emmy, if you want to dispute on your own, just hit the link in my bio, get the King Credit Bundle, and get to work. If you want us to do it, shoot me a DM. All right, DM me the word King. It's been updated. What does that mean? Yeah, that mean they just verified it. Chikalari, how to move hard inquiries. We literally just went over that, but all you're going to do is get your report. We're highlighting inquiries not attached to open accounts. That means if you applied for it and you got the account, don't dispute that inquiry. Okay. But if you applied for it and you didn't get it, you can go ahead and dispute that. All right. And yeah, we're calling, but I give you the numbers, I give you the script, I give you everything to say, all that stuff, all for free. Just hit the link in my bio, click how to guides, and the inquiry removal guides in there too, with a lot of other guides too. Can you use FICO? Yes, I can use FICO. Check DMs, get Chime. I mean, Chime should be your last resort. Chime should be your last resort. The scammers and everybody in 2020 then ruined Chime. Okay. Like we don't even accept Chime. When you try to pay, that's what the scammers use. We don't even mess with Chime. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. My score is 754. Nice. Can you get Biz Credit with no docs? Yeah, you can get Biz Credit with no docs, but you're gonna need a good personal credit score. Okay. Good personal credit score. Like no docs just means no tax returns, no bank statements, right? But you're gonna have to personal guarantee it. That means you're gonna have to leverage your personal credit to get the business credit. All right. Yes, let's be in debt. You are not here. Oh yeah, let me see. Care about care about what other people think and you always be the prisoner. Huh. You are giving motivational quotes and you on here trolling. Let me block your ass. Get out my chat. Hold on, let me block this dude. There we go. Get out my chat, bro. Medical collection. Itati Rendon. So medical collections, you got to pull that report. We're finding inaccuracies and we're disputing. So with collections, though, we're disputing with the bureau and we're disputing directly with the collection agency. Okay, so there's some more steps in between that, of course, but I just broke it down, so you can understand it. But if you want to do it yourself, just hit the link in the bio, get the King Credit Bundle, and get to work. If you want us to do it, shoot me a DM. Okay, how much does your services cost, Julie? We got plans starting at $3.33 a day. All right, so Yeah, it just depends on your report though. Depends on your report. So yeah, go ahead and shoot me a DM. Everyone has to do a consultation. There's no way around getting a consultation. You have to talk to somebody because we have to explain the services, answer your questions, let you know what plan you qualify for, and all that good stuff. Okay. King got a clean cut and 2 vehicles today. Let's go. Hey, we making moves, bro. My score is 675. Nice. Chime is really good to build credit, especially if you're 18 and 20, early 20s. There's better accounts than Chime. There's better accounts than Chime. But yeah, I got nothing against Chime. I just that's what all the scammers and shit were using in 2020. It kind of ruined the name. But yeah, there's other better accounts you can get other than Chime. But yeah, do your thing. Can I get a new truck with this kind of credit? Yes, you can. Only 2 cars with a 705 score. Should I go for Amex Gold? Um, I wouldn't suggest it. I wouldn't suggest it yet. But it's just it's one inquiry. So if you want to try it out, go ahead. But I would add some more accounts to my profile first. Okay. So you got 2 credit cards, right? Now let's add like a Covo. That's going to give you a little credit mix. Let's add like a rent reporters. That's like a primary account, but it backdates. You know what I'm saying? So those are 2 easy accounts. Once those report, your credit profile is a little stronger. Now you can go apply for that Amex. That's what I would do. But if you want to give it a shot, do your thing. And all those accounts I just said, just hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts, and they're all in there. I paid all my debt on my Discover card. Why does it show a negative credit balance? A negative credit balance? Then it probably hasn't hit your account yet. Yeah, it hasn't hit your account yet. If you paid today, it's a holiday. You know what I'm saying? So it hasn't hit your account yet, bro. King, I may be able to help you. Congrats on the success. I've seen you killing it. All right, yeah, Dustin, shoot me a DM. I'm not sure what you're talking about, but let's go. I'm always down to collaborate, man. Collaboration over competition. Let's get it. Mr. Freshie, what I missed the car? Yeah, you missed it, bro. I put a video up. Let's go. I'm at 850. Is that too high? That's high enough. Let's go. So I'm still learning about credit. What is the credit score is used for? What credit scores are used for? A credit score is just a representation of your credit report. All right. So you're approved or denied from the stuff on your credit report. Okay. So you're not trying to get a good score. You're trying to have a great credit report, right? Trying to build that credit profile. Okay. 816 on another report. Nice. I have a 722 score. How can I boost more? I don't know, bro. Like, I need to see your report. You got a 722. I don't know how many accounts you have. I don't know if you have any negatives. I don't know what your utilization is. Like, come on now. I sent the video again. Hold on. They would have told me. Hey, yeah, bro, your number was blocked. Yeah, the 207. Yeah, I'm gonna tell them here. Hold on. There we go. He made a video. Payment was posted 612. Okay, what's today? Hold on. Oh, a week ago? Wait, it says negative $17. Oh, that means you paid a little extra. Yeah, that means you paid a little extra. That's what that means. 6 credit cards, 1 installment loan, 1 personal loan. What else do I need to raise my credit? Isaac, you good, bro? Hey, you good. So for you, it's going to be about lowering that utilization. So your credit cards, right? You don't want your utilization hella high. Get that shit down to the single digits, and then you might need to add an authorized user or two for the age. But you're good, bro. You good. Man, I'm gonna go watch. I took a break from TikTok for a while. Hey, you need to do that sometimes. I'm at 680. Am I eligible for a big loan? Um, I mean, the 680 is cool, but it depends on how many open accounts you have. What's your credit age? If you got a lot of inquiries, you got any negatives on your report, that's what they're looking at. All right. They're not really even looking at the score. The score is just like a small factor. Okay. But yeah, Best Egg, Lending Point, Lending Tree, SoFi, One Main Financial, those are all decent loan companies. Mine's 754. Should I get on TikTok and brag about it? Zach, No, you shouldn't, because these are all client results, bro. These are all client results. These aren't my scores. These are the people that I've helped. You know what I'm saying? So Zach, if you've helped a couple thousand people in a subject or something, then yeah, you should be helping more people out. All right. But Zach, you came in my chat negative, bro. So you so you gotta go. Get your negative ass out my chat, boy. Blocked. Let's go. Credit Karma's all right. Credit Karma's all right. Why is there such a difference between the three different bureaus? Because each account has its own statement date, like your credit cards. And then not all your accounts report to all three bureaus either. So that's why that score is always a little bit different. Is Capital One a good credit card for beginners? Yeah. Bubba Boom 456. Hit the link in my bio. Click starter accounts. It's just a Google Doc. It has a whole bunch of easy accounts on there for you. They didn't block me, bro. I don't know what the hell happened. That's crazy. Edwin, I got a 738 one account. Had my credit card for 9 months. What can I do to make it better? Edwin, same thing. Hit the link in my bio. Click starter accounts, and I got some easy accounts on there. It's a section that says new to credit. Follow these steps. Okay. I'm in the 800s though. Nice. Yeah, he paid over the limit. Yep. Utilization at 15%. Yeah, Isaac, you need to get it down to like 5%. Right. You'll start seeing changes when you do that. Let's go. Let's get it on to. You got a question? What's up? What is utilization? Utilization is just how much credit you're using versus how much credit you have available. It's just division. That's it. Okay. I just hit 760. Jeremy, let's go. Hey. Let's go. I just sent it again. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. You put it in the Slack. Yeah, you put it in the Slack. Hey, bro, why you licking your lips and shit? Hey, this nigga. Hey, hey, this is not an interview, bro. You're not interviewing for a new job, dog. Hey, he got the fresh cut. Hey. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna post that testimonial on Friday, bro. I'll post that testimonial on Friday. Hey, that's hilarious. That man, he trying to outshine everybody. Jesus Christ. After consultation, what's next? Right after the consultation, we send you your onboarding. Takes about 2 minutes. Once that's done, we get started on your disputes. It's that quick. Okay. Good credit doesn't mean anything nowadays. Interest rates are nuts. That's the thing. So when we're dealing with credit cards, our utilization is so low, they're not earning anything on us. Okay, they're paying us to use credit cards. All right, you got to learn how to play the system, man. Guys, it's hard for him to tell you what you need without looking at your credit report. Yeah, facts. Yeah, facts. My parents put their houses in my name when I was 3 and missed payments. Finally transferred back to them. Damn. Damn. When you were 3? Jesus Christ. They was trying to set you up for failure, bro. Good Lord. Do you do any credit mentoring? Yeah, all the time. All the time. My last mentorship was a couple weeks ago. But yeah, I might set a little something else up. I don't know. I got to figure it out, man. I've been slacking in that area, but I'll figure it out. I can't seem to stay over 600. Brandon, that's because your utilization is probably crazy. You probably got some negatives on your report, or you don't have enough open accounts, or you don't have enough age, right? There's a whole bunch of stuff that can be going on with your report. That's why I suggest everyone to schedule a free call. It's free. Okay, it's free. We look over your credit report, let you know how we can help. And even if you don't sign up, that's cool too. At least you learn something. Okay. Investing companies. What does that mean? Like, am I investing in companies? Yes. A couple of negs dropped off and my score shot up to 805. What's next? You got an 805 with a decent amount of open accounts. You can go do whatever you want. Like, what do you mean? What's next? You tell me what you want to do. Let's go. What's the difference between Equifax and TransUnion? They're just two different companies that report your information, man. That's it. What are good investing companies? Ashanti, what are you asking? Good investing companies? Like, Companies to invest in? Is that what you're asking? Jasa Moltani, can you use FICOs? Yes, I can use FICOs, bro. Why you keep saying that? It's weird. What are you what are ways to invest and grow money? Um, I think the easiest and quickest way for anybody would just be like a CD, like a certificate of deposit. You put your money, it's like a savings account. You put your money in there, but it has to stay locked in there for 3, 6, 9, 12 months, whichever one you choose, and that money grows, right? That's the easy way, but you can do what's another easy way that I'll be putting the young people on? Acorns is cool, right? Acorns, it takes all the so like let's say something is $2 and wait, let's say something is 250, right? That extra change, so it's going to round up to $3. So that 50 cents that's left, it's going to invest that for you. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. But like Acorn, that's an easy route. Certificate deposit is the easy route. And then, if you got a 9 to 5 or a salary job, you can do the 401k route. When you get a little bit more advanced, you can do a little life insurance policy, little stuff like that. But there's so many different avenues though, right? It just depends on, you have to pick something that you're going to stick with, that you're going to actually do a little bit of research. You know what I mean? Don't just be listening to people, right? You listen to a couple people, okay, then research that shit. Make sure make sure it checks out. Okay, let's go. What does remark code mean? Always when it add like 52 points, bro. Remark codes don't add points, man. That's not how it works, bro. A remark code just tells you what's going on, pretty much, right? It might say this consumer is disputing this account, or this account was verified. Like the remark code is just telling you what's going on. I think it's great that you're doing this to help others with managing and understanding scores. Appreciate you, bro. NYC Punisher, appreciate you. What is a good second credit card? When is a good time to get another credit card? Edwin, hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. I got some easy credit cards on there that explains all that for you. So you don't got to second guess it. If you paid of what you owe, this collection will be removed. No. So 9 times out of 10, if you just give the collection agency some money, that account's going to still be on your report. You know what I'm saying? So you have to set up what's called a pay for delete, right? Or if they agree that they're going to remove it before you pay, then yeah, that's cool. How much do you charge for removing inquiries and how many days does it take? How many days? Oh yeah, bro. You've been listening to them scammers too much. My man on Instagram. Yeah, bro. It's just inquiries? Bro, you can do that yourself, man. You can do that yourself. Go to my link tree, click how to guides, and the inquiry guides inside of there, bro. Let's go. He said how many days? Oh shit. I applied for Kovo and I got denied. Yari, you said that last time. I told you to shoot me a message. You never did. I wasn't sent any onboarding. Did you make your payment? When you onboard and make your payment, and then you're good to go. Bloom. So Bloom, send me a message. Send me your name, and right after I'm done with live, I'll send you the onboarding. What are faster ways to build credit? You got to add easy accounts, right? You want to just build up a little credit profile first, and then you can expand it later on. So again, if you guys need easy accounts, you want to build that profile up. I got all the step-by-steps, all the easy accounts already laid out for you, all for free. Hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts, get to work. Dave Ramsey has a great book for managing your debt. Yeah, he does, but Dave Ramsey, man, Dave Ramsey be selling dreams, man. How can I get a consultation with you? Titus, just shoot me a DM, bro. You on Instagram? Just shoot me a message on Instagram. Let's go. You have videos on how to grow credit? Yes, bro. Look at my page. Look at my thousands of them, bro. Thousands. Damn, at 3, why they do you like that? Man, I know. I see this. What are faster ways to build credit? Okay, she's asking the same question now. I applied for Kovo, got denied. I have 612, lots of negatives, fell off in May. They don't even pull your credit, right? So when people get denied for Kovo, it tells me that they either filled out the application a little bit wrong, or yeah, that's usually it. So Yari, just shoot me a message so I don't forget, and I'll reach out to my rep that reached out to me for the Kovo stuff, and I'll see what he can do. It's not having a wet signature a reason for collection removals. No, I mean, so people try to use the original contract and all that stuff. You can add that in there, but the biggest thing is like the assignment contract or like the purchase agreement when it comes to collections. Okay, they have to prove that they properly bought that debt or properly assigned that debt. You know what I'm saying? I just opened a Capital One credit card. Let's go. How can I see all three in one place? Hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says get your FICO for $1. Cash is king, not credit cards. Chevy boy, cash loses value every second of the day. Okay. When people say this, it lets me know that when people say this, it just lets me know that they're not financially responsible. All right. How is cash king in a credit society? Answer me that. How is cash king in a credit society? Don't make sense. Okay. I got my update coming soon, then on to round 4. Yeah, Leak, you're up to round 4. Mine hasn't updated. Uh-oh. What's going on? Been at 740. How do I get to 800? Once you get to that 700 club, it's about your utilization and adding some age. So pay them cards down and then maybe add an authorized user or two. We got a couple available. Actually, I'm updating the trade line list, but you can hit the link in my bio. I got the trade line list in there too. I've done hard money loans in stocks, gambling money, and crypto. I have a question. My credit score was almost 800 and I opened up a credit card, Invisalign treatment. Yeah, anytime you open up a new account, your score is going to drop because you're adding an account. Okay, so your average credit age is going to drop a little bit. Okay, that happens. I have a 705 and was told I need a cosigner. Yeah, so that should let you know. He said he got an 805, a 705 need a cosigner. That should let you know that the credit score doesn't matter. It's not your credit score. That means something's up with your report. Okay, you might have too many inquiries. Your utilization might be crazy. You might have a recent negative on there. Okay, if you leverage your credit cards right now, it can put you in an amazing position. Facts. Not gonna lie, I need to invest in my company, CMB Cash Money Brothers. I like that name though. That's hard. I'm 795 and 27. Okay. Any other way than credit cards to lift the score? No, not just credit cards. It's a mix that you need. You need different accounts. Okay, you need a mix of accounts. So you need some credit cards, you need some installment loans. But yeah, you need a little mix, bro. I applied for Kovo, got denied. I had negatives, but they fell off in May. Yeah, Yari, I keep telling you. I know why you keep saying the same thing, but Kovo doesn't even it doesn't even pull your credit. There's no hard inquiry. Okay. I need a savings account and it will build money over time. I mean, technically, yeah, but it's the savings rate and as regular savings account, inflation eats it up. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to do a savings account, do a certificate of deposit or something like that. Something easy. Okay. I just checked my experience, 767. Cool. That's lit. Discover took me to court. All right, let's go. Okay. So don't panic. Okay. Don't panic. It's not like trial and suits and Harvey Specter and all that shit. It's not like that. It's more like traffic court. Okay. So you got 3 options. Okay. You can reach out to the company, reach out to Discover, try to settle. You can reach out to an attorney and tell them what's going on and they can give you some pointers, or you can just go to court and see what happens. All right. But you have to show up though, because if you don't show up, you automatically lose. You know what I mean? So that's when them wages get garnished and all that shit. You don't want that. Okay. At least if you show up, you got a fighting chance. And you know what? Another thing too, a lot of times when people go to court, they get sued and stuff, their representative doesn't even show up. So you can you can file a motion to get it dismissed if nobody shows up. What's the best thing to do with high credit besides loan? With high credit, like with a good credit profile and everything, leverage it to do whatever you want to do, bro. like what? Like leverage it. We live in a credit society. We live in a credit society. All right, let's go. What you want to do? You want to get into real estate? You can use your credit. Okay. You want to buy some cars? Use your credit. Dallas Cowboys. Hey, let's go. Yeah, but we live in a credit society, bro. So you already got good credit. Let's go. Use it. Leverage it. I got added to my aunt credit card, 15 years of history, and my score go up 100 points. Shit. It's gonna go up for sure. It's gonna go up for sure. What's wrong with how many days question? Because it's illegal for us to guarantee results, number one. And when someone says how many days, it lets me know that they've been watching some scammer videos. You know what I'm saying? When people say that, they think I'm about to go on, or my company, we're about to go on Credit Karma and click this account isn't mine, or do some identity theft shit. That's not what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? We're actually doing we're doing this shit the right way. When you do it the right way, the accounts aren't going to come back. Okay, you're not. Yeah, it's levels to this, man. Isn't it bad to close accounts though? So do you have to keep those easy accounts forever? Yeah. Yeah, because you're going to build off of those, right? You're going to build off of those. I need help with Biz Credit. What you need help with? Let's go. What does round 4 look like? Metro 2. Metro 2, bro. I have a lot of old closed accounts. If I remove them from my credit, will my score go up? Maybe yes, maybe no. But you want to remove those old, if they're old negative accounts, you want to get them off your report because they're anchoring your score down. You know what I mean? So you want to get them off anyway. How significant of a dip on your credit score when you apply for hardship on a credit card? So if you don't have any late payments or anything, they're just going to close the account, right? When they close an account, you your score is going to drop because you're not getting the age that account had. You're not getting all that anymore, right? But that's better than not paying for 3 months, closing the account, charge off, getting the collection. You know what I'm saying? This is a much better route. Yo, quick question. My FICO just jumped 45 points up randomly. Is that normal? It wasn't random, bro. So something happened. Yeah. Your scores just don't move on their own. That's not how it works. That's not how algorithms work, bro. Does keeping the same 20% owed every month at 0% affect my credit? Miguel, you definitely want to get that lower than 20%. Yeah, your utilization's at 20%. Get it down to single digits, bro. Wait, King, did you leave my cap in the car? Hey, I got you. I'm gonna send it. By Friday, bro. I'm gonna send it by Friday. Can you explain each starter account? Wheelhouse Solutions. That's why I typed that up. I took the time out of my day to type that up for y'all, right? So you click starter accounts and it explains it on the doc. That's what it's for. He said, "Can you explain it?" Don't want to do no work. Damn. Don't want to do no work? Man, I'm 22 with a 739. I want to be at 800. What do I do? I need to know how many open accounts you have, what's your average credit age, how many inquiries you got, what's your utilization at. I need to know the factors that's making up your score. Okay. I know you have a package, but I would like for you to do it for me. Yeah, that's what we do. Yeah, so just shoot me a DM me the word King. Okay. So look at the King Credit Bundle. That's for people that want to do this stuff themselves. You know what I'm saying? They can do it themselves, which is a cool option. If that's what you want to do, you got the time to do it, go do it. But our main service is the done for you services. That's for people that want it done the right way and who don't have time. They just want to be hands off. Okay. So just hit the you can hit the link in my bio and sign up that way, or you can just shoot me a DM. All right, DM me the word King. Means you don't make enough. Means you don't make enough money. Debt to income ratio. I mean, it could be a whole bunch of factors, bro. We don't know that, right? That's why you have to see the report. Okay, you can't just assume shit. I got credit score at 650 and I don't know where to start for my first home. Don't know where to start for if it's your first home, you should probably go the FHA route. You know what I'm saying? FHA route, that's probably the best route for you, bro. But wherever you're at, whatever state you're in, whatever county you're in, each state has their own programs. Each county has their own down payment assistance program. So whatever lender you want to work with, they should break all this shit down for you, bro. Okay. If you go to a lender, a mortgage lender, or a real estate agent, and they can't break the shit down, go to somebody else. You know what I mean? That's like going to a dentist and he can't tell you what's wrong with your teeth. Like, what? Fuck? I'm going to the buddy across the street then. Can you explain trade lines? Yeah, so there's two types. So trade lines is the overall thing, right? When people say trade lines, they usually mean authorized users. Authorized users is just when you get added to someone's account and you get all the benefits of that account. But be careful because you get the negative stuff too. Okay, so that's pretty much it, bro. It's not too much to explain. You're piggybacking off somebody's account. That's it. What's the trade lines? Hit the link in my bio. The trade lines are in there, bro. 795, but poor means nothing. You tripping. You tripping. If you got a 795 with a good credit profile, you can get rich from that. No, not rich. Well, you can actually, yeah, you can leverage that to get rich, bro. Easily. Is your credit card connected to Karma? No. No, it's not. How do I get a low interest loan with a 640 credit score? Boosted it back up from 560. That's good. 80-point increase. Good shit, Scott. Good shit. I'm not sure if you're going to be eligible, bro, because if you still have any negatives on your report, you're probably going to get denied. You know what I mean? So I would keep working on that. Keep working on that report. But one main financial lending point, one main financial lending point. I've seen people with like 620s to 680s get approved for those loans. So if you get the loan, bro, just be careful, man. I don't want you to get the loan, you know what I'm saying, and then be in worse, be in a worse position than you were. You know what I mean? All right, here we go. How much if you do it? We got plans starting at $3.33 a day, man. So it just depends on your report. How you get repo removed off credit. Chop. So the way we do it, we contact the repo company. So usually the repo company within 30, 60 days, they sell it, right? They give it to the auction and the auction sells it. When that happens, they're supposed to update your credit report. And a lot of times they don't. So we reach out to the repo company. We try to get a bill of sale or a receipt to prove how much they sold that car for. And we compare that with the credit report. It's usually off. And that's what we use to dispute, bro. Yep, chop. So if you want that repo sauce, I broke that down quick. But if you want that repo sauce, hit the link in the bio. Get that King Credit Bundle. It's in there too. Alicia, I feel like I'm stuck at 732. Well, you got to change. You got to change something on this side of the equation to change the answer. You know what I'm saying? 2 plus 2 is 4. I can't change it. Well, then turn the 2 into a 3. And now it's 3 plus 2 is 5. You know what I'm saying? We got to change something. So that you might need to pay your balances down, right? You might need to add a couple new accounts. You might need to add an authorized user or two, you know? Discover took me to court. I've already answered that court question, bro. Can you remove late payments? Yeah, Boston, we dispute late payments all the time. 3 accounts, 3 years, and a few increase. All right. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's not bad. 5 credit cards, 734 score. Should I add another card? Harper, if you got all revolving accounts, you want to add like an installment loan, right? So if that's Kovo, Credit Strong, Self Lender, something like that, I suggest Kovo, but you want to get that credit mix going. My score is at 750. Nice. I got a credit score of 600. I need business credit. What should I do? You got to fix your personal credit. Yeah, you're not getting approved for anything with a 600. Okay, sorry to break it to you. I'm not gonna be on here lying to people. I keep it 100. Okay, but I can help you increase that score. Okay, I can help you fix that report though. Then you can double back and go ahead and get approved for some business credit cards. How can I raise my credit quicker? I'm at 680. I only have a loan and a credit card and always use 10%. So you need some more accounts. You only have 2 open accounts. You need some more accounts. All right. So hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. So you already got a credit card. So you can probably get like rent reporters. I like rent reporters because it backdates and it's going to give you some age. So rent reporters and then like probably that Discover It card, right? So rent reporters Discover It. Hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. It's all in there. I got to get to a truck. I've been netting 6 to 10K. Nice. Nice. How much you do it? When it costs me just to do it for me? Johnny, I've already answered that, bro. You gotta DM me the word king and schedule a free consultation. Let's go. Would you suggest to apply for home equity line of credit to pay off credit card debt or apply for hardship? Some people have done that. I've seen people do that. That's another. There's multiple ways to skin a cat, man. There's multiple ways to pay off your debt. So you got to find a way that you're comfortable with and go for it. Right? Let's go. Can you remove late payments? Yes, we can dispute late payments. Best way to start credit. Rod Taser, hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. It's all free. Go run it up. It's all in there. Jay, I need help. Let's go. DM me the word king. Okay. You catch my DM last night? Yeah. I got to go back and read it though, bro. I got hella busy last night. What happens when you trying to remove inquiries and they keep coming back verified and not removed? You're not doing it right. You're not doing it right. You got to call the bureaus to remove those inquiries. Okay. So pure complexion. Hit the link in my bio. Click how-to guides. Right. They're free. I got a guide for inquiries in there. They'll give you the script and all the numbers are called. Get to work. I got a 600 but no credit profile. Oscar, hit the link in my bio. Click starter accounts and follow the steps. It's that easy. Let's go. How would you handle 8K in debt? Pay it all off? Yes, pay it all off. That's how I handle it. Also, what happens when you're trying to remove an account and it keeps coming back verified? Yeah, you're disputing incorrectly, bro. Can you get an apartment with a 600? Depends on where you live at, bro. Depends on where you live at. Okay. My credit score goes up and down. How can I get it up to 700? Boss in the city. So same thing, you guys. Same old thing. So depends on your credit profile. All right. How many open accounts do you have? What's your utilization at? If it's fluctuating, that means that you're spending and paying stuff off a lot. Like your utilization is fluctuating, right? So you got to get that utilization down, most likely. Wait, what is a trade line? I'm confused. Oh man. I'm gonna have to double back on that, bro. I've answered that like 3 times. Is there a way to get your bureaus to refresh your score faster? Or just pay 6K in debt? No, you gotta wait. They'll refresh it. Be patient, bro. How do I get help with credit? I have late payments. Just DM me the word king. Okay, DM me the word king. I have never had a loan or credit card and my score 515. I need an emergency loan, man. Well, it's not gonna happen, Vince. That's not how it works, bro. You got to build up that profile. Now, in 2-3 months, you'll be eligible most likely. You'll have a couple accounts you can go ahead and try. But right now, if you ain't got nothing on your report, why would someone give you money? You ain't got no experience with credit. Don't make any sense. Okay. So Vince, hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. I got it all laid out for you. It's all free. How do I permanently remove collections and charge offs? Hit the link in my bio. Get the King Credit Bundle and get to work. But you guys, when we're disputing, we're pulling your report, we're finding inaccuracies, and we're disputing. Now, all accounts aren't disputed the same. All right. Repos are disputed differently. Bankruptcies are disputed differently. Late payments are disputed differently. Collections are disputed differently. Charge offs are disputed differently. Okay. So, but the bundle has all that stuff in there. All right. Can making double payments boost your credit? No, that doesn't boost your credit. All right. Your credit, your accounts only care about your payment date and your statement date. What you do in between that, they're not tripping. Okay. Now, if you max your cards out, then on your statement date, if it reports a high balance, your utilization is going to be crazy and it's going to drop your score. Right. But if you pay it off before the statement date, you're going to look responsible, low utilization, your score goes up. Okay. You guys, it's just easy. It's math. Easy work. Okay. I still have no FICO score, but have TransUnion Equifax score. That's because you don't have any accounts. Wait. I have a FICO score, but no. So, yeah. So you don't have a FICO score because you don't have enough accounts reporting yet, right? So your TransUnion and what'd you say? TransUnion and Equifax scores. So yeah, you're talking about your Vantage scores, bro. Yeah, you're talking about your Vantage scores. So if you're talking about Credit Karma, you know what I'm saying? Those are Vantage scores. Nothing wrong with them. They're it's just a different scoring model, right? So to build up that FICO score, though, you need a certain amount of accounts to report. All right. So hit that link in my bio, click starter accounts, and get to work. How does Kohl's report a negative to your credit? If you got a Kohl's credit card, you don't pay it, they're gonna report the shit. What we talking? Come on now. Come on. Vince Padilla. I told you the method, bro. I told you the method. Daniel, thanks for trying to help him out, but a security card, you have to put money down, right? I'm teaching them how to get 2 easy accounts, no hard increase, no money down, no nothing. Okay, let me work, bro. Come on, man. Let me work. Would paying 8K debt boost your credit? Yes. Salvador, I've answered that twice. Is there any way to get the bureaus? Okay. All right, y'all. 746 at 19. That's nice. That's nice. How many open accounts do you have, Devin? How many open accounts you got? And what's your credit age? What's your success rate removing bankruptcies? Between 60 and 70%, which is super high for bankruptcies. What can I do for charge off over on a vehicle? Won't let the car get repoed. I co-sign. Charge off. If it's a charge off, we got to dispute it like a charge off. All right. We get that report. We find inaccuracies. I teach you how to do that, and then we're disputing. All right, Crystal. So if you want to do it yourself, hit the link in my bio, get that King credit bundle. If you want us to do it, DM me the word King. Let's go. Will paying a collection boost your credit? Laura, unfortunately, no. Unfortunately, no. Unless you have a pay for delete agreement. But when we're dealing with these negative accounts, if we get it removed and your score increases a little bit, that's a bonus. Okay. We're just trying to get the shit removed because having these negative accounts are getting you auto denied. You know what I mean? Some lenders, if you had a late payment within the last year, they automatically denied, right? Some lenders, if you have, 4 recent inquiries within 60 days, automatically denied, right? So that's what we're trying to avoid, right? So we're trying to go into the situation with a fighting chance, right? You don't have a fighting chance if you got 10 collections in a repo on your shit. They gonna laugh you out the place. Let's go. Fix it, Jesus. Hey, I'm weak. I don't know what to do. I don't report more than 4% a month. Alicia, send me a DM and tell me, break down your credit report. I need to know what's on your report. All right. Is it possible to get late payments removed? Yes. How do I get a personal loan with a Scott? I've already answered that. Answered that. All right, y'all. Y'all just repeating shit. I got a couple derogatory, a couple of collections. I got a couple of inquiries on my credit, 490. Yeah, Johnny, let's work. Let's work. Just shoot me a DM, bro. Let's go. Is 19,757 good? Yep. How can I boost my credit by 10 points? Pay your balances down. Your score bump up 10 points. How do I permanently remove? Already answered that. What's the minimum credit score you need for business loan? A business loan? Shit. At least a 680. Like, with a good credit profile, though. All right. So business loans, that's the least of your worries, though. For a business loan, you need at least 2 years of age, 2 years tax returns, good deposits, and a good personal credit score. Okay. How do I pay off my 2 credit cards the best way? You can do snowball method. That's the smallest and work your way up. Okay. You can do avalanche. That's the biggest one. Work your way down. You can target the account with the highest interest rate. You can get a personal loan, pay off your credit cards. And now you got one lump sum payment, right? There's multiple ways to do it, bro. But it's all going to come down to most people are trying to find money out of thin air, right? That's not how it works. Okay. You need to lower your expenses, most likely, right? Everybody can lower their expenses. The Hulus, the YouTube TV, fucking Netflix, and all that shit, that's 200 right there. All right. All the apps on your phone that you're paying for, that $7.99, Apple keep hitting you for, all that shit, that's another 100, 200 right there. So we have $400 that you can use by just eliminating those for a couple months. That's what I mean by lowering your expenses. It ain't got to be crazy, right? You don't got to eat top ramen for a year, but you got to lower all the extra shit. How to get a charge off your credit? Get your report, find inaccuracies, and we're disputing. All right, Lazaria. There's some steps you got to do in between that, but yeah. If you want all the step by steps, just hit the link in the bio, get that King credit bundle, and get to work. If you want us to do it, shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King. What should the interest rate be for a 617 for a vehicle? You about to get murdered. Yeah, you about to get murdered. You're gonna be at 15% plus. My credit is 695. Is that good? That's solid. Hey, Daniel, how'd you know, bro? Hey, Daniel, how'd you know, bro? That's crazy. Damn, mine higher than yours, bro. Lock in. Cooper, you're blocked. He said lock in. Bro, this ain't my shit. These are client results, bro. People are ridiculous, man. These Gen Zers, bro. Some of these Gen Zers, man, be wilding. All right, where was I at? What if they reject your dispute? Then you move on to the next. You move on to the next round. How can I remove late payments? Hit the link in the bio. Get the King Credit Bundle. We got the late payment sauce in there. Went over repos already. Get the bundle, you guys, if you want to dispute the repos or in the late payments. Where can I get my accurate score? Israel. So, like, you want your FICO 8? Hit the link in my bio. Scroll down. It says get your FICO for $1. Right? You get a 7-day trial for $1. If you like it, keep it. If not, cancel it. Every time I try to get an address removed, it keeps coming back and not being removed. Peer complexion, you got to call for the addresses too. Is Kickoff worth it? Kickoff's a good starter account. Chris, I'm 20 with a 23 increase for the year. I can't go above a 650. I mean, that's not because of the increase, right? So when you first get the increase, it drops your score a little bit, but something else is going on with your report, Chris. So stop. Number one, stop applying for shit, Chris. Stop. After the third no, stop applying. Okay. When you apply for something and they deny you, they're going to send you a letter that says you were denied for this, this, and this. You know what you do? You take that and you go fix this, this, and this. Okay. That denial letter is not even denied. It's like a roadmap, low key. Okay. So stop applying for shit right now. Stop. All right. Don't apply for nothing else. Okay. You need to figure out what's going on with your report, bro. And you 20, Chris? Man, shoot me a DM, Chris. Shoot me a DM. I'll see what's going on with your report, bro. I gotta help out my young gunners, man. When you settle the debt, how do I get the debt off my report? You gotta dispute it. You gotta dispute it. So even if you settle an account, and it has late payments on there, you still want to dispute that account because those late payments are anchoring your score down still. Okay. Is it true debt collectors can sue you for no payment? Yeah, if you have everything set up with them, like you're making payments and you stop, they can sue you. Debt collectors can sue you if they send you a letter and you don't respond in 30 days. They can sue you for that too. Okay. It's all in the contracts, y'all. It's all in the contract. Where can I get my accurate score? I already told you. Hit the link in the bio. Click click get your FICO for $1. Is it bad to close credit cards? Yes. Yeah, you don't want to close your credit cards. Okay. Why would you close a credit card when all that hard work you did to get the credit card, now you're going to close it? You know what I mean? I still got milestone first access from 2018. Okay, now those got my age now. You know what I mean? I can't close them. Right? They hit me with a $100 annual fee, but it's worth it. You got 6 years of age on it. You know, that's a good trade-off. Never been able to establish credit. Did a credit rebuild and my credit got worse. What can I do? David, shoot me a DM, David. Yeah, whoever was helping you didn't know what they were doing, bro. It's really easy to add a couple positive accounts. It's really easy to do that. And then as you add those accounts, we can be disputing all the negative stuff, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, I already answered that. How fast we get the trade lines? Shalia, depends on when you get it. Depends on when the statement date is. Right? If you get it 2 weeks before the statement date, it usually hits. It usually hits that same month. But if not, yeah, it might hit the next month. All right. But it depends on how quick you get the account. Okay. What can I do to get my credit past 750? And Amra, is that how you say that? Amra? How many open accounts do you have? What's your credit age? What's your utilization? That's what I need to know. I got a 750 credit. Can I get a 100K loan? You guys, you don't get approved or denied based on from your credit score. So telling me you got a 600, you got a 650, you got a 750, it does nothing. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. You can have a 750 with one account, right? You're not getting approved for a 100K loan with one account. Okay. What can be disputed off your credit? Anything negative, bro? Honestly, you can dispute shit. You can dispute anything if you want to, but we want to dispute things that's negative on your report, right? Collections, charge-offs, inquiries not attached to open accounts, old names, addresses, jobs, bankruptcies, repos, evictions, child support, broken leases, timeshares, you know, little stuff. My credit is 412. Is that good? No, that's not good. All right, that's work. DM me the word king, bro, if you need some help. Let's get it. What's the monthly fee for your services? Depend on your report, but our lowest plans start at $3.33 a day. 33 cents a day. Oh man. Can you answer my question? Red Toy Poodle 120. I answered it 30 minutes ago. He said reported as fraud. Cyrus gets money. You're blocked. Get your ass out my chat. Nah, we don't do that, bro. Get out my chat. You're not gonna mess one of my viewers up with that scamming shit. Get out my chat, bro. We don't play that. Bro. Because somebody gonna tell you to do something, and then they gonna say, "Oh, King, I was on King Credits Live, and he said commit fraud." Nah, bro, you're not getting me like that. You're not bringing me down with you. I'm not going down with your ass. I got a 5%. Wait, I have a 5% on my vehicle, but I want a new one. It's now right now time to buy at 6:35. No, Lady Cop, the time is not to buy it at 6:35. Just chill. Because the keyword I was looking for, you said I want a new one. You don't need a new one. That's the keyword I was looking for. Chill out. Why do some credit repair companies file identity theft report? Does it worsen your situation? Yes, that's the lazy scam way to do it. That's what a lot of 99% of these people you see on here, that's what they do. Right? They go on Credit Karma and they say, this account isn't mine. They go on ftc.gov, file a identity theft, get a police report. You can do that online too. And that's what they do. But here's the thing. Okay, they think they're doing something, but they're not. When you say this account isn't mine, right? Identity theft, it triggers an investigation. When that investigation happens, your accounts are suppressed. They're not removed. So to some people, they like, oh man, this guy fixed my credit in 2 weeks. No, he didn't do nothing. All right. Those accounts are just suppressed. So then in 60 days, when those accounts pop back up, you're fucked. Okay. And then you're going to hit my DM talking about, oh man, can you help? Bruh. Happens every day. Right? Do this shit the right way, you guys. Right? If you 30, 40, 50, 60, and you had bad credit since you was 20, all right? Okay, let's say you had bad credit since you were 20 and you're 30 now. You had bad credit for 10 years. Okay. You can't give us 3 months, 6 months, 9 months to get your shit right? Come on, man. Stop it. I have credit from a union out of state, but I live in California, but now I have a 743. Nice. Best thing on my credit is my child support. Never missed a payment. Hey, chill, bro. Hey, chill out, man. I'm weak. Yo, my credit is 739. How much down on a Jeep Wrangler? Um, depends where you go, bro. Depends where you at. The Jeep Wranglers though, they want a little bag for those though. You're gonna be looking at least 3K plus, right? Mike Wazowski, 705 good. That's solid. That's a good score, but solid score. But it all depends on what's on your report, bro. Like how many open accounts you have, what's your utilization, what's your credit age, that type of stuff. Should I close it? Anonymous, no, don't close it. Okay, you accept Cash App? For the trade lines, yeah, we do for the trade lines actually. For the trade lines, because that's separate from the services. You know what I'm saying? So got to get that score up, homie. Who's this? Rojo Mojo. These are all client results. Know what? I was gonna block you, okay? Because this came off negative, but I'm gonna let you slide. All right. You didn't know. These are all just client results, bro. These are all receipts. I always start off with a Credit Karma in the background with one of my clients that screenshots something, they send it over to us. You know, this lets me know where people's heads at. You know what I mean? So come on, man. Do better, bro. I tried calling the number and tried texting you and I got message failure. I'm trying to fix now. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on then, Johnny. We got hundreds of clients, bro, that use that same number. So I'm not sure what's going on. How do I get my credit to 300? Stop it. Mine's higher than that. Derek Foster, that's great. Oh, shit. You know what? Man, Derek, I was going to get on your head, bro, but I just seen your profile pic. Yeah, bro. I'm going to let you slide. I'm going to let you slide. I, I was gonna get on your head, bro, but I see your profile pic, dog. I'm gonna let you slide, bro. Jesus Christ, you got more problems than some credit. Okay, man, you might want to be nice to people, Derek, because you might catch somebody petty, bro, and they might, woo, man. Is it normal for a company to update balance to 0 before removing from credit report? Yeah, they do that sometimes. They agreed, pay for delete. Hey, let's go. Let's go. If they agreed, make sure you got the paperwork and then pay. Let's go. How much for your services? Roman, it depends on your report. Depends on your report, man. We got 2 different monthly plans. Okay. Everybody qualifies for the standard or the gold. And then you can upgrade to the platinum if you want. Most people don't, but some people do. But all affordable, bro. Okay. And we figure that out during the consultation. Okay. So everyone does a consultation, and everyone does that because number one, not everybody even qualifies. A lot of people don't even need us. A lot of people just need to pay their balances down or update some personal info or remove some inquiries or something easy like that, right? We'll just tell you how to do that. Okay. Now, the people with bankruptcies, repos, evictions, and shit, then yeah, y'all need us. Okay. But yeah, let's go. My credit is around a 736, 720, different bureaus. Is that a good thing? Yeah, that's solid. Kelly, that's cool. How accurate is Credit Karma? The accounts, like the accounts and activity, that's accurate. The score is the scoring model is a Vantage 3.0 scoring model. Okay. So it's accurate for that scoring model. You know what I mean? If that makes sense. How can closed accounts be removed from credit? I have 5. Josh, we got to find an inaccuracy and we dispute it, bro. Why isn't Credit Karma accurate? Bring me the Garbaggio. I just answered that. Oh, you started doing trade lines you didn't used to. How much and how? Yeah, Nick, because I only used to offer them for our active clients, but then clients start graduating and shit, right? Then they were like, "Hey, I want to add mine to the list too. Add mine to the list too." So next thing you know, bro, we got 50 trade lines. You know what I mean? So yeah, I started offering to my the Facebook group and to the followers too. Buying a house with FHA because my credit score is 640. Is that okay for now? Shane, that's what it's made for, bro. Hell yes. That's what you're supposed to do. Let's go. How accurate is Credit Karma? Answer that. It's bad, bro. Let's go. Am I really around those numbers? Yeah. Yeah. So you guys, if you want your FICO 8, right, just hit the link in my bio, scroll down, it says get your FICO score for $1. It's a 7-day trial for $1. If you like the way it looks, like if you want to monitor your FICO 8 score, keep it. If not, cancel it before the 7th day so they don't charge you. All right. And cancel it before the 7th day, because if you try to do a chargeback, it ain't gonna work. All right. Identity IQ, my score IQ, they don't play about that shit. Okay, they fight back. So if you ain't got $30 for the credit monitoring, cancel it before. Don't do that to yourself. Okay, don't embarrass yourself now. What's funny is folks would just give anyone their social security number. Yeah, so if I was some random person on the street, yeah, that'd be crazy. But a registered business, bonded in multiple states, proven track record, reviews, testimonials. Like, well, what else I got to do? What else I got to do? Okay. And a lot of times we don't even need your full social. A lot of times we don't need your full social. All right. Now, if you want us to do the CFPB complaints and all that, then yeah, we'll get that social later on down the road. But when you first sign up with us, we don't even need your social. Okay. Why are my 2 credit scores different? Because not all your accounts report to all bureaus. All right. King is a real deal, y'all. Let's go. He said, let's get it. Let's get it. How can I get signed up? Truck321. Just DM me the word King. Let's get it. Sign up today. Don't delay. Hey, Jose got the bars. Oh, man. Sadi said, oh, mine's higher than that. Sadi, these are client results, Sadi. Okay, so yeah, it's probably higher than one of my clients, but this guy started in the 500s. Okay, that's go. Come on, Sadi, I almost blocked your ass. Don't do that. Our credit card score is accurate. Yeah, it just depends on what model they're using, bro. What scoring model they're using. I have a dealership, hard inquiry. I don't see the dispute button, but I didn't give them access to run my credit. We're not disputing online anyway, right? So if you want to dispute those inquiries, hit the link in my bio, click how-to guides. They're free. I got an inquiry guide on there. I give you the script. I give you the number to call and all that. All right. Explain trade lines. Kim. So when people say trade lines, they usually mean authorized users. All it is, you're getting added to someone's account and you're going to get all the benefits of that account. Right. So let's just say you get added to a get added to someone's account and they get a late payment, right? You go from a 750 to a 650. Okay, now you upset. Okay, so just be careful. That's why it says verified trade lines. My trade lines are verified. That means I chose the trade lines from past clients, okay, that are trusted. All right, let's go. How do I get a hold of you? Roman, shoot me a DM, bro. DM me the word King. If I get one with the 26th statement date, will I make the cutoff to report this month? What's today? No, I said 2 weeks. Hey, Shalia, you better stop that. Hey, I had to look at the calendar. That's in 7 days. Stop. I'm weak. Why did my score go down after paying off all my debt? Pasta Pirate, because you probably paid after the statement date. Okay, which is people do that all the time. So you need to find out your statement date and you want to pay it before that. Okay. How much is the trade lines? Nick, click the link in the bio. It shows you on there, bro. Man, I get a 754. How does that stack up with the average? 754 at 23. You're would it increase my credit same as paying it off? No, paying it off won't increase your score or do nothing to your credit report. All right. Only how it's going to help your report is getting them removed. All right. So Josh, yeah, we can help you. Shoot me a DM. Okay, DM me the word King, or you can hit the link in my bio, get the King credit bundle, and do it yourself. All right. It's 2 options. I make it really simple for people. If you got time to send out the disputes, to reply on time, to follow directions, get the King credit bundle. All right. If you don't have time, you need to know yourself, right? This is what usually happens. A lot of people that get the King credit bundle, they'll be doing good, and then 2 months later, they're like, "Hey, bro, I don't want to do all this work anymore. Can you do it for me?" That's what usually happens. Okay. So if you don't want to do no work, you want to be completely hands off, you want us to do everything, DM me the word King. Okay. King is the man. Let's go. How can I get access to the package? I bought it before, but don't have access to that email. Nick, if you bought it before, and we can prove it, I'll just send it over to you again, Nick. So you got to shoot me a DM, bro. I thought haters were only creeping on Fridays. We on Wednesdays now. Oh, bro, you missed it. You didn't miss it. Bro, it's been crazy this week. And they coming out, I think it's because summertime, right? The summertime got these boys acting crazy. He wouldn't show his face if he was doing anything illegal. We have to think facts, bro. Like, what? Yeah, come on, man. Is 620 credit score good? It's all right. You can definitely improve it. Hello, brother. I want to fix my credit as much as I can with you. Let's go. Just shoot me a DM, man. DM me the word King. But what can you use a Vantage score for? Honestly, bro, just kind of to measure where you're at. Honestly, like the score, because yeah, lenders really don't use it. But you know when they do like a soft pull, they're usually looking at the Vantage score. Okay, so if that's worth anything, how long does a hard increase stay on your credit? 2 years. What's the first thing you should do at 18 to start building credit? You should add some easy accounts right off the bat. Hit the link in my bio, click starter accounts. It breaks it all down for you. It's all free. All right. Hey King, what card is the best on balance transfer? I need about 20K. Oh shit. Hey, yo. Why 20K, man? Let's make it 200K. Fuck it. That's I need a quick 20K, bro. But honestly, like if you're already with like Chase or if you're with Citi, they all have their own balance transfer cards, right? So if you're banking with one of those, right, you can get a card with them. All right. But if you want the full list, that's a Google question for sure. Right. Cause I don't want to tell you something crazy. You know what I'm saying? But your best bet would be to already go with the bank that you're already with. All right. How many cards is too many cards? Shit, man. It's just how much debt you can handle. All right. If you got one credit card, but it's always maxed out, you shouldn't get another one, right? You know, handle your cards first, handle your debt first, and then you can build on that. But I've seen people with 30, 40 credit cards, man. It's crazy. My Equifax score is higher than my TransUnion score. Is that bad? I got 740. No, it's not bad. That's normal. The Gen Z agent. I like that. I like that. Gen Z agent. Should I get rid of my bad cards with annual fees if I only had them 6 months, like Credit One? Um, Walmart cashier. So the problem is if you get rid of those cards and you try to go apply for something else, now you don't have those open accounts anymore. Now you don't have that age, right? So I still got my Credit One accounts from years ago. So it is what it is. So this is a Vantage score being shown. Can we see your FICOs? Chris Harley, these aren't my scores. These are all client results, bro. I show receipts. Okay, I show receipts. I show deletions, right? Stuff like this right here. Let me see if it'll even let me post. Let me see. Mm, mm. So I show deletions, bro. Shit like this. This is what we do. Okay. You asking the wrong thing. You worried about some scores. I'm worried about helping a million people. We not the same, bro. We different. It's different. Stop playing. But yeah, we can do that all day. We can do that all. We can do deletions all day, man. We can do deletions all day. All right. But let me get back to this right here. Oh shit. There we go. I like showing this one. I like showing the Credit Karma stuff because you have to meet people where they're at. You know what I mean? You notice how many people come on here and say, "Oh, Credit Karma, oh, blah blah blah," right? They fell right into the trap. Got your ass. Fell right into the trap. So if I get added to a trade line and your score goes up, can you get unadded? Yes, you can. You can take yourself off. Well, not take yourself off. You just reach out and we'll take you off. I need Biz Credit. Yeah, if you need business credit, you got to apply for business credit. You got to leverage your personal credit to get it. You can go to net 30 route. You can add business trade lines. Like, what do you mean? There's only a couple ways to get business credit, bro. It's easy work though. Easy work. How the fuck someone jumped 55 points? He probably had horrible credit. Well, if you add, hey, people just hold on. This like some people just say any old thing. How you jump 55 points? He probably It has all kind of stuff on there for you on TikTok. Yeah, bro. If you sent me a DM and then you message the 844 number, that's us. But don't fall for these scam pages. This is my only page. Yeah, you can tell by the actual username and the followers, bro. He said pulling the extra hours. Let's go. Does TikTok have a credit card? I wish they did. Dion Copewood is the that created M2 phenomenon. The AI sends disputes automatically. Nice. Nice. It's still a software, bro. That's nice. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. But yeah, I'm not sure what you want me to. I'm not sure what you want me to say about that. But yeah, man, that's it, man. That's it. What time is it? 6:03. Damn, I've been on for a minute. Can you build